Hi, welcome to Kelo TV, where we guide how to create an app, how to create a game, and also how to create a website. Not only to create, but also guide you how to monetize with different app platform for you to earn money. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create this together, or how all this process works. PDF converter tools. This PDF converter tools here, you can see just no much design, only the heading. It works 100%. And here I give you the example of some of the sites that do create has the same design. So it's a PDF converter tools as well. So this site, you can see it has pages where you need to log in here. So this particular website, it makes money as well from subscription. So that is why you can see pricing. So here also you can see it's asking for login as well. So it's also pricing. So this one too, you can see sign up, it's also pricing. So all this website, that is how it works. We can also decide to make our own the pricing section as well. Before you can access the tools, you have to pay some money and you will be good to go. And if you don't want that, then we will leave it for free and hoping to monetize with any art platform as well. So as you can see, let me show you how this works. So you click on select the PDF and it's going to open. There we're going to click on any of the PDF file we have here. So here you see it opens up. I pick one and I click and it's going to upload. The good thing about this site is it doesn't save any document on the website. Once you finish, you go, you download your file. You can see it's downloading. Yes, as you see, our document file is ready. It's here. So that is how it works. Here, if you click it will take you back. Okay, here as well, you click, it's going to convert another one again to Excel sheet. You can see it's working fine. You click on download, you can see it's downloaded. You can click on go back here again. Going to see all these tools work 100%, so working very well. So I have all the code. You see it's downloaded. Okay, so as you can see, all of this, it's working 100%. You can see it's working 100% downloaded. You can see okay 100%. So this is how it works. You can see all of them. If you like, we had multi tools because I need to take my time to add more tools. So what I did here, I have to go with DeepSeek, and I narrated the format of how I want the the project to work. And you can see it asks me to add the index.html, style.css, and pdf.js, and all of that. So as you can see, this is how we started, and all the code is here. So if I open my where I did my work here, you can see all the files are here. This is where I created all my files and I uploaded it on okay, it's opening. Yes, so you can see these are all the files we work together. It's GIF, so because I have the understanding of the coding, so that is why we work step by step. Okay, we started with the HTML code and we enter the CSS. After the CSS, then we enter the next one. I'm just taking you through. We enter the JavaScript here. So when we finished, it was not working fine. The design was cool, but not converting the files. So which I have to okay, updated, it's still not working. So this is how it works. I have the files. If you're interested, it works 100%. So that is how to create. Now for this design, so simple, you have the opportunity to put hard code here. Your heart can display here, so it doesn't matter you wait for AdSense or anywhere. The good thing about this site, if you can create and you have active user, very simple for AdSense to quickly activate your to approve your site. You know, AdSense need for choose website, AdSense need quality traffic. That's the most important thing, because it's a tooth website, so you don't need to write content every time, or you don't need to be updating content. It's just a tools where someone will use tomorrow. Okay, all over the world, if people you have thousands, millions of visitors, then you actually make money from AdSense. So another alternative from AdSense, you can also go to Astera as well, where you can request, and that one is very fast for easy monetization. Once you activate it to give you the access. So if you're ready to build this site and you need any guidance to build a project like this, I'm here always to guide you, to help you out. Thank you so much for watching. Don't always forget to drop down your question if you have. Don't always forget to share, like. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.